Good day everyone, my name is Shair Den Mendoza Ali and today we'll be tackling basic practices in government auditing. Government auditing is a process of checking how public money is used. Its main purpose is to make sure that the government offices spend funds properly, follow the rules, and serve the public honestly. This process helps prevent the waste, misuse of funds, and corruption. To make audits more effective, auditors follow certain best practices. These best practices helps improve the quality of audits and build trust between the government and the public. When audits are done correctly, people can feel more confident that their money is being handled responsibly. Now, we're going to talk about continuous training.
Hello everyone, good day. Let's talk about continuous training. So what is continuous training means? The continuous training means is that auditors regularly upgrade their skills through seminars, workshops, and professional development programs. Government rules, auditing standards, and technology change over time, so auditors must keep learning to stay effective. Through training, auditors become more knowledgeable about new risks, modern audit techniques, and uploaded laws. This leads to more accurate and reliable audit results. Training also helps auditors make ethical decisions and perform their duties with professionalism. So in short, continuous training means ito yung mga learning and improving their skills over time. So it's not just about learning once forgetting it about learning regularly to stay up to date with the latest changes in their field. So why is continuous training important? So number one, continuous training important is changes happen. Laws, rules, and technology change all the time. For example, new law may be passed or new software may be used in auditing. So if auditors don't keep learning, they might miss important updates and make mistakes.
Everyone, I am Aaron C. Grande here in the Bachelor of Science Public Administration College. This is my report about use of technology. Technology plays a major role in improving government. Auditing tools such as data analytics, audit management, software, and digital documentation help auditors perform their tasks more efficiently. Technology reduces human error, speeds up data processing, and makes it easier to detect unusual patterns or possible fraud. It also allows auditors to monitor transaction and real time and maintain accurate records by using modern digital tools. Government auditing becomes more efficient, reliable, and transparent. Ito po ang technology place ay gumagampanan ng teknolohiya ang malaking papel sa pagbubuti ng mga kagamitan sa pag-audit ng pamahalaan tulad ng data analytics, software sa pamamahala ng audit at digital na dokumentasyon na tumutulong sa mga auditor na gawin ang kanilang mga gawain ng mas mahusay. Pinababawasan ng teknolohiyang pagkakamali ng tao. Pinabilis ang proseso ng datos at pinapadali ang pagtukoy ng mga hindi pangkaraniwang patterns.
Thank you so much for listening and have a nice day.